In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update games in Epic Games the easy way, and how to make sure auto updates are turned on so your games stay current without any hassle. This is a quick but important tutorial, especially if you want to avoid launch issues, missing patches, or having to wait around right before you want to play. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software and gaming tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should know is that games in the Epic Games launcher usually update automatically by default, so in many cases, you may not need to do anything at all. But if you want to manually check your settings or force the launcher to look for updates, there are a couple of easy things you can do. Start by opening the Epic Games launcher on your PC. Once it loads, sign in if needed and go straight to your library. This is where all of your installed games are listed. Find the game you want to update, then look for the three dots next to it. Click those dots to open the menu. From that menu, select Manage. This section gives you control over the game settings, including update behavior. Inside the Manage options, look for Auto Update. If it is turned off, switch it on. Turning Auto Update on tells Epic Games to keep that game updated automatically whenever a new patch is available. This is the best option if you want your games ready to go without having to manually check every time. It helps save time, and it makes sure you are less likely to run into version mismatches when you try to launch a game. Now, if you want to force Epic Games to check for updates right away, there is a simple trick you can use. Just restart the Epic Games launcher, close it completely, make sure it is no longer running in the background, and then reopen it. When the launcher starts again, it will perform a fresh check for updates and download anything it detects for your installed games. This is especially useful if you know a game has received a patch, but it is not showing the update yet. A quick restart often refreshes the launcher and gets the update process moving. If you still do not see the update, double check that the game is installed properly, that your internet connection is stable, and that auto update is enabled in the Manage menu. In most cases, those few steps are all you need. So to quickly recap, Epic Games updates games automatically by default, but you can verify it by going to Library, clicking the three dots next to the game, selecting Manage, and turning auto update on. And if you want to force a manual check, just restart the launcher. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy gaming guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.